Hello and welcome to another episode of FAQ Friday, the show in which we answer all of your frequently asked questions all about e-commerce. And this week's question is, how can I incorporate storytelling into my e-commerce strategy? Content-driven e-commerce is the future, but consumers are said to be subjected to 5,000 marketing messages daily. So how can you stand out? Here are a few tips. Craft a story that they can aspire to, as well as be part of. Nike is a really great example of this. They align effortlessly with star athletes, creating aspiration as well as relatability, as you can wear exactly the same thing as your heroes do. Secondly, try to focus on problem solving. Telling a story is great, but it means nothing until you identify a problem your customer is facing and really answer with, "We understand and we can fix this for you." Third, humanize. Embody authenticity. It's always better to have a face behind the brand, so why not share those stories? Social media can be a great place for such and offers much variety with little need for budget. Lastly, try to take advantage of user-generated storytelling. Ultimately, the only story that your customer really wants to tell is their own, so try to position your product as the perfect tool to do just that. And that's a wrap for this week's FAQ Friday. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and maybe next week it will be the topic that we cover.